All Taylor Studwelding CNC automatic machines have an easy-to-understand, customer-friendly interface, allowing the operator to key in welding instructions to suit every requirement. Machines are available with single or multiple welding heads, with the option of each head being fed by one or more bowls. From the smallest to the largest, Taylor Studwelding's bespoke service covers every requirement. Sizes of machine can be tailored to suit every customer's needs with both servo and stepper-driven options available. Due to their superior design, our welding heads are capable of some of the fastest cyclic welding rates in the world. Our stud welding controllers are robust, capable of high welding rates and designed for ease of operation. Studs are selected from a bowl feeder unit, automatically ensuring consistent flow of studs to the welding head. For further information, go to taylor-studwelding.com.